So this is comparing the Bitplay phone holder versus, it's from Pelican. And so this is the Bitplay, which is a new brand to me, but again, love this brand. If you're into Japanese minimal vibes, black, kind of like industrial, you're gonna love this brand. This is their waterproof water phone case thingamajig. Basically, you're going to the beach or you're going to the pool and you want to have your phone near you, but not have to be stressed about water getting in it. This is what you would use this for. And it's really nice. So aside that it's a very minimal style and design, I'm going to compare this to the other like top seller for this category to give you an idea of like what they're going after. They're kind of trying to reach like us minimalist aesthetic kind of people who don't necessarily want like some bright neon thing by the pool or by the beach. And it obviously made out of this water resistant or waterproof plasticky material. You take your phone. I'm filming out of my 16 Pro Max, but I did, when I went to Captiva Island last week, I did take this phone with me and it fit perfectly fine. But this is my iPhone 13, just to give you an idea. You put it in, right? And then zip it up. And that's it, you're good. Your phone is in here. Nothing else is gonna get in here. What I did was I had my phone and I think at some point a hotel key card, but that was it. And it wasn't intrusive, it just fit. It goes around, you know, it goes around your neck, your body. And if you need to get into your phone, you still can. So it's not, because it's, you know, see-through on both sides, you can still take pictures. I was even able to answer the phone, and just very practical and really nice. Very, very nice. The zipper itself isn't like a flimsy zipper. Like you can tell that this is engineered. It's hard to see in the camera, but you can tell this is like, and these zippers have been engineered to keep water out. And it's like very, very well sewn into the plastic material. And the straps themselves are very nice. You can adjust them right here. And it has like these clips. So if you wanted to, you don't have to have it like this. You can clip it to the top with like this, with these two, right? So you customize it, adjust it to however it is that you want to use it. I really like it. Let me show you what I had before. So this is comparing the Bitplay phone holder versus the other one that I have, which is from Pelican. And this is one I've had for over a year now. This is great. Okay. I'm not knocking Pelican at all. I've bought this myself, have used it. It comes in a 2-pack and it's great. Right. And it has like a cushiony edge around it. You slide your phone in here and you're great. You're good to go. Again, this is a great case. I'm not talking bad about this, but there's like a difference, right? If you're like, you know, if you're going to be around the pool or you're not going to be on a beach, or, you know, you don't want to carry something so like bold, you can carry this, right? It's minimalist. It's more design, more fashiony than something like this. And you're going to have the protection of a Pelican brand, right? And this is meant that if it falls in the water, it's going to float. Not sure this is going to float, right? So like, keep that in mind. But overall, just really impressed with how wonderful this brand is.